Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna make macaroni and cheese. Now I'm just gonna put 2 cups of macaroni in here. I'm not making the whole box, just 2 cups. There we go. Ooh, I gotta put my salt in. Yeah, about 2 teaspoons of salt in here. Get that going. And then I'm gonna do my butter, my cream sauce, while that is cooking, my bechamel sauce. So, like I said, 2 cups of macaroni, because I'm not doing the whole box. Let's see what happens. Put my butter in. So I'm gonna put like, not a whole stick, but like 6 tablespoons. Let's do that. There we go. And then I'm going to put just about 1/4 cup of flour in here. Let this completely melt first. Shake 1/4 cup in here. Come on. Of flour. Let's cook this down, so that while my macaroni is cooking, I'll make the sauce. Turn this down. We don't want it to burn. I'm just cooking out the flour a little bit. We don't want that powdery taste of the flour. Now I have 2 cups of milk here. I'm gonna pour a little at a time. Get it all incorporated. Keep it on low. Put my other cup in. Now, in the meantime, I have to make sure that the flour is fully cooked. Also, there are no lumps. You don't want any lumps in here. So I have the stove on low. This way it will cook and we won't have any lumps going on in here. I'm going to use my whisk. This will help to get rid of any lumps that are around. Now, then we're going to add a half a teaspoon of black pepper, right? And nutmeg. Just about, oops, 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 oops. Let's get this out. Good. Rinse that off. And then we're ready again. See that? Things happen. Yeah, just a half a teaspoon of nutmeg, grated nutmeg. And let's stir that in. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of meat seasoning, and then we check it and see what's the flavor like. Okay. I'm going to put a 1/4 cup of the macaroni water in, because this is looking really heavy, thick and heavy. And I'm going to put another teaspoon of meat seasoning. So overall, I'm putting 2 teaspoons in here, guys, of all-purpose seasoning. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. Put in another 1/4 cup. So this is 3/4 cups of water from the pasta. There we go. See how nice this is looking? Good. Now, what I'm going to do is put some cheese in. Put in 2 kinds of cheese. So I'm going to put like 1 cup of white cheese. Stir this in. And then I put like 2 cups of the red cheese. See that? Now what we're looking for is enough cheese and ooey gooiness to cover our macaroni. Because remember, we only did 2 cups. So let's just bring that up, bring the stove up a little, let that melt out a little bit. Let's see what we're doing here on this side. Good. That's a good thing. It's all cooked. We're going to strain this off. this on low. And now, we're gonna start adding our macaroni in here. Let's get most of this water out. See how nice that is? Everything is just enough for 2 cups. Here we go. That's what we're looking for. Ooey gooiness. Your macaroni should be ooey gooey and covered with enough cheese so that when it's baked, it is delicious. And I'm gonna put another cup of cheese in here. Here we go. You want this to be cheesy. That's the whole idea. You want it to be cheesy. I may even put another half a cup in here, guys, just to be sure. And then turn the stove off. And I have a dish here for it. Let's make sure this is fully covered with the cheese. Let's put this in here. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That's what we're talking about here. The whole thing. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Tasty and delicious. All I'm gonna do now is just add some breadcrumbs on top. And then we're going to put this in the oven, guys. 350 for about 15-20 minutes. Okay? So the next time you see this, guys, it will be fully cooked, fully baked, fully cooked, and ready to serve.